finally got me one of these 3-in-1 cheese graters. I had been seeing them all over my For You page. I kept hesitating on getting one, and then we saw our friends using one the other night, and my husband said, we need one of those. We are going to make smoked mac and cheese tonight, so come along with me. This cheese grater made such a difference in making our smoked mac and cheese. It made our lives so much easier. It's so nice that the machine has a suction cup on the bottom, so it actually sticks to the counter and you don't have to worry about it moving. It definitely made the process of shredding the cheese a lot easier and a lot faster. This normally takes me so long to shred the cheese, and I absolutely hate that chore. And now that we have this tool, I will be happy to do it every single time. Now for a little bit of mac and cheese ASMR and the end result.
Sit down, bud.